This video is going to show you how to find the greatest common factor using a prime factorization tree. In a previous video, I've gone over how to use a factor tree to find prime factors. If you haven't checked it out yet, I'll put a link in the description and you can go watch that video now. But today, we're going to figure out how do we find the greatest common factor by using those results. So, first thing we're going to do, let's look at example 1. What is going to be the greatest common factor between 16 and 24? So, let's start by factoring 16, which we can say is 4 by 4, which is equal to 2 times 2, and then 2 times 2. So we have 2, 2, 2, and 2 are the prime factors of 16. I'm going to write that down here, if my pen will work. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now let's go ahead and factor 24 also. And we can do 2 times 12. And then we'll do 2 times 6. And then we'll do 2 times 3. So we got 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 are the factors of 24. So let's write those down below. And let's try to line up the same numbers under each other because it's going to help us when we identify our greatest common factor. So you can see here we have a match between 16 and 24, so let's keep that 2. We have another match here, so we have another 2. We have one more, let's keep that 2. Now this one you have a 2 in 16 but not in 24, so we don't count that one. And we don't count this one for 3 because it's not a factor of 16 and 24. So 2 times 2 times 2 is going to be our greatest common factor, which is 8. All right, that was easy. So let's just try another example. Let's do the same thing, but let's find the greatest common factor between 18 and 54. So let's factor 18 to be 2 times 9, and then 3 times 3 is what 9 is. So we identify our prime factors for 18 is going to be 2 times 3 times 3. The prime factors of 54, let's do 2 times 27. You could do any type of number for this one, any combination. You'll end up getting the same answer. I'm just doing it this way so I have more space to write over here. So we can then take 27 factored as 3 times 9, and then we know 9 is 3 times 3. So 2, 3, okay, my pen's not working. 2, 3, 3, and 3. So 54 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So let's figure out which ones are common. We have a 2, we have a set of 3s, and we have another set of 3s. This one is by itself, so we leave it alone. 2 times 3 is 6 times 3 is 18. 18 is the greatest common factor. All right, so now that we've gone through 2 examples, I want you to try one on your own. Using the factor tree, tell me what is the greatest common factor between 12 and 30? Leave your answer in the comments. Good luck. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.